Queen of England. You know, she is on so many beautiful coins out there, and a coin is minted by a government. It has a mintage, it has a denomination, a face value, and my God, there's so many beautiful silver coins out there with the Queen's picture on them. And I said to myself, what's going to happen when she passes away? The unfortunate event will happen. What's going to happen? You know, the world is going to stop for a day. I mean, it's going to stop spinning for a day, if that even makes any sense. But you know, consider this. Consider that she passes away and there's a split type. You know, they could have half of the coins minted that year have her image and the other half have somebody else's image. That might be a modern rarity. And who are they going to replace her with? Well, it's going to be her eldest son, Prince Charles. He is next in line, so I'm guessing he's going to be on the coin. You know, in the United States, if you're alive, you're not allowed to be on U.S. money. It could be a foreign country, but not on U.S. currency. So just thought I'd throw a quick vid out there. The Queen, she's old. Hey, my God, if I see pictures of her, she's walking great. No cane, no walker. Good for you. And those of you out there who know me and know what I do, hey, she looks good when she's walking. Nonetheless, consider the amazing, she's on so many coins, it's unbelievable. So many countries, territories, islands, and they put out beautiful stuff. And 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 5 ounce, kilo, blah, 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 blah. The mintages, I mean, crazy. But you never know what's going to happen when she passes away. They remove her image and replace it with who? I'm thinking Prince Charles. And next in line is his eldest son, Prince William. But yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your comments down below. And if you think they might keep her, even though she passes away, say, hey, I think they'll keep her. Or, you know, they'll replace her with, who knows, maybe me. How do I look?